Alright guys, welcome back to Blue Line Garage. So as you can see, I actually did a little bit more work on the car. So let me go ahead and check you up. Let me show you what I did. Alright? God damn it! Alright, so a little hint is, so most of these openings, I didn't do it on this one, but I did it on everyone else's. You just get a plastic gloves, some latex gloves, and you wrap them around the openings, intake, stuff like that, and then you just push the remainder inside like I did over here. This was a cool little trick. I did this one first before I realized I could just use gloves instead. See, like I did down here. Alright, so I got this fender off here. Everything seems pretty good. I do have to straighten this out. I do have to get a new upper fender apron, and as well as a lower. Not a big deal at all, but I'm not going to get it until I straighten or pull this out and then take that off. I can get this separate from the dealer, which is like 30 something bucks, and ain't not a big deal. Probably same thing over here, but I ordered a new frame for this side. So as soon as I pull this out, I'll swap that out. This here, I'm gonna have to take some measurements to make sure I don't need to replace anything on this one. I don't think this is pretty much damaged at all. I don't see any kinks or wrinkles at all. I got this fender off, of course. Now the only weird thing is that I don't know what the hell this is. It's like just a free-loading weight. It's like a shake weight. Look, it doesn't do anything. I don't know what it does. Maybe some type of weight. It doesn't turn, I don't know. If you know, leave a comment below what the hell this is. All right. One hinge is good. The other side got all smashed up. Other than that, that's about it. Got some really big brakes here. Now, one of the things I might end up doing is I'm thinking about upgrading the brakes as well. So, if you have a specific kind I should try out, let me know. But I have a few ideas for the brake. I'm going to change out the intake, of course, put a intercooler for the turbo, put a cross brace over here to the other shock tower. That's it. So, as you can see, I do have some metal laying on the floor. I am going to be making a frame machine. I'm actually going to be doing a separate video on that. So look forward to that coming soon. Alright, so pretty much that's all I got going on this week. Nothing crazy. I really need to do that frame machine before I could do any more work. So that's going to eat up most of my time. But like I said, it's going to be on a separate video. So you're just going to get small update clips on the Mustang until the frame machine is done. Like I said, I'm going to do weekly updates. I am going to do a few little things here and there. But other than that, at least you're going to be knowing what's going on. One more thing too, I wanted to show you. I did take the cover off of here because it was cracked. The engine cover, the plastic cover up here, but nothing was damaged at all whatsoever. But what I did notice is that there are extra screw bolts all around the engine, I guess, for different covers or different modifications that you could do. So I actually think that's pretty great, pretty awesome. Other than that, the motor mounts are good. I didn't see any crack. Usually when you have frame damage, usually you have a motor mount that's cracked. Everything is good. Pulleys are good. The belts are good. Nothing torn, nothing ripped. The alternator brackets are good. Everything looks good, even the injectors. So basically the engine's mint condition with 2,000 miles and 2,100 miles. All right, well, other than that, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you guys are staying safe out there. Let me put up a little logo right here. Yep, there you go, right there. All right, hit that little bell so you get further alerts, and that's it. Hope you guys enjoy. All right, guys. So what I did is I got a hydraulic ram, and we're gonna try it out. I already tried it out on a few things, and it looked like it works great. But let's go ahead. I'm not going to show you too much on how it gets put together. I just want to go ahead and see if I can start moving the frame. All right, let's get to it. Alright everyone, that's about it for this episode here. We did get some work done. I spent a lot of time making the frame machine. As you can tell here, I made so far one part. This part goes underneath the car, attaches to the pinch welds. I still got a lot more work to do on the frame machine. That's about it, but like I said, we got a lot of work done. I got some parts ordered. The only problem is I have to wait a little while. And that's about it. So make sure you like and subscribe right over here. This little bell thing or button. Just go ahead and like and subscribe. And also puppies. I got puppies. I got a puppy. Everyone likes puppies. So you should subscribe just because I got a puppy, right? Look at this. Look at the camera. Tell people, hey, subscribe. Like and subscribe. All right, go ahead and do that. Alright, listen, I do anything for a subscriber. Alright, if you got any questions or anything like that, make some comments down below. I do have some plans. I'm actually contemplating on doing an air ride system on this and some upgraded rims as well. So I'm thinking a little bit too much ahead, but let's get this frame started. What are you doing? Get out of here. No. Alright, I'm back. Okay. So that's about it. But like I said, once I'm done with the frame machine, we're going to get ahead and straighten this stuff out and then start putting everything back together. All right? Peace!